Hi everybody, this is Carlo Nicolini from the University of Genoa, representing Thermochemical Power Group, research group of the University of Genoa, and we are partner in ONEPLANET project. Through our experience in the field, in the techno-economics and scenario analysis, we try to translate techno-economic analysis outputs into policy, let's say, strategies for policymakers like governments in order to make green energy transition and sustainable growth reality in emerging countries like Kenya in this case. So this project strengthens the connections between Africa and Europe and gives the opportunity to make know-how that we have in Europe available even to African partners and to spread this knowledge across African countries through replication mechanisms, and thus promotes the, let's say, sustainable growth and green energy transition throughout all African continent, which is a plus not only for Africa but for the global, let's say, for the global pollution reduction and global sustainability. So this is a good question because the legacy of the project is also important. What we have learned in this project must be somehow implemented by governative organizations, because otherwise this would be, let's say, lost in terms of, let's say, practical impacts. Even if the knowledge that we gained is still our main, let's say, legacy of this project. But to make this happen and to have, let's say, practical consequences of our experience in this project, we have to make policy decisions to implement some of these outputs that we have from our projects. Otherwise, this will be only a knowledge legacy and not a practical one.